Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your Squarespace website secure. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To make your Squarespace website secure, there are several important steps and built-in features that you can leverage to protect your site and your visitors' data. Alright? So once you're logged into your account, I want you to click on the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. Click on the account dashboard, and from here, click on the website. Now, the first thing is we need to enable the SSL or the secure circuits layer. Now, for you to be able to do that, just click on the search bar here and type in SSL. All right, so from here, you can enable, disable, or change your SSL preference and site-wide password. If you click on it, what will happen is make sure that your site is active and that is secure. If the option you chose is insecure, what will happen is the search engines will index the insecure version of your site and visitors will not be automatically redirected to the secure version of your site. The important step is to make sure you click on the secured, which is preferred because it will index the secure version of your website and visitors accessing the insecure version will be automatically directed to the secure website. Make sure that the certificate status is active. Once you've done that, click on save. All right, this is very important. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to make sure go to the homepage or the cog icon settings. Go to your account. Go to the account security. And you might want to make sure that to click the two-factor authentication, all right? Because this is a security feature that helps protect your Squarespace account. Use a passkey, use authentication app, and of course, you might want to use the text message wherein you can receive authentication codes by text message. Why is it important? Because if someone gets your password, the 2FA prevents them from accessing your account without the second verification step. You might want to regularly update your content and settings up to date because it reduces the vulnerabilities. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.